let's run it again and see what might be the problem. Start. We can actually see that Karel didn't stay in the middle of the two beepers. So what might go wrong? And so you can see that there are two moves in each of these loops. And I wanted to be able to check whether this move is needed. And then this condition is wrong here because we want to move the other beeper only if we're standing in the middle with an empty space. So we only do the move if no beepers are present. Now we do like this, close it, and then let's run again. Start. Now that's where it stopped. So basically there is no middle point with empty space between those two beepers. That's when we stop. Now we need to make a cleanup. We have two beepers right next to each other. And we don't know. We're not sure at least which one beeper is on top of. What we need to do is for Karel to go to the east side, pick that beeper up, and then step left so that it actually stands in the middle. So let's try that. That's what cleanup is for. So cleanup. Now we have a precondition. Precondition is that two beepers right next to each other. Post condition is that Karel remove the ones on the right hand side. The east side, Karel stand the remaining. Okay, so we know we have two beepers right next to each other. Karel is standing on one of them. So what we need to do is that we need to find the right hand side one. So basically we can turn to east. And then while beepers present. So if we have some beepers underneath us, remove. And then when we exit this loop, this condition is no longer true. So we're standing at empty space. Now we can turn around, move. Now we're standing on top of the beeper at the east side. So we can pick it up, and then move. This move allows us to stand on the remaining beeper, which is right next to it. Now we still need to implement turn to east. Okay, so let's run it. Look like we achieve our goal, at least in this setting. Let's test it in another world with even number of cells at the bottom. Let's pick up 8 die 8. Now start it again. Again, it works in this world. If you think carefully that this still has corner cases, it doesn't work. For instance, for the world that only has 2 cells at the bottom, or even 1. So that's a corner cases we didn't consider in this case. And that will make a good exercise for you to figure out what to do here.